how to reset, restore camera default settings on iPhone. So let's get started. To reset or restore, first you'll have to open the Settings app on your mobile device. Go to your iPhone's home screen and tap on the Settings app. Now, once you are inside the Settings app, all you have to do is scroll down until you see General option available there and simply tap on it. Then, near the bottom of the General setting, all you have to do is tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select the Reset option. Then choose Reset All Settings, and this will reset all your iPhone settings including the camera settings, but it won't delete any of your data. You will need to enter your passcode to confirm the reset. Once confirmed, your iPhone will restart and all settings including the camera will be restored to their default state. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.